Why do only 10 divine forms manifest across the yugas? Let's unlock the secrets of these cosmic incarnations. In the tapestry of time, when darkness overshadows righteousness, the universe calls upon its most profound energies. These are not just any energies. They're the avatars of Vishnu, manifesting to restore balance and harmony. But why limit to 10? Think of these avatars not just as beings, but as symbolic keys, each unlocking specific aspects of the cosmic order, from Matsya, the fish, saving the sacred Vedas from a deluge, to Kalki, the warrior yet to come, who will cleanse the world at the end of our current age. Each avatar is tailored for a unique era, a specific challenge. This divine count of 10 represents completeness, a full cycle of cosmic duties. In Hindu mythology, the number 10 symbolizes the perfection of divine play, the complete expression of God in the material realm. So next time you hear tales of Narasimha's valor or Krishna's wisdom, remember, they are part of a grand, divine design, meticulously planned to guide humanity towards spiritual evolution.